prophet, you will cross to your next level. As an apostle, you will cross to your next level. As a teacher, you will cross to your next level. As an evangelist, you will cross to your next level. As a healer, you will cross to your next level. As a financial apostle, you will cross to your next level. As a helper, you cross to your next level. You will cross to your next level.
The International Leather Sons Manifest 2022 is here again. Theme: Fresh Fire.
Take the mantle, 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 evangelical mantle, take it.
Featuring salvation, healing, deliverance, prophecy, and impartation for pastors. Ministry: Prophet Samuel Akimbodushe. Saturday, the 6th of August 2022. Time 9 a.m. The glory of the Lord will descend like fire.
You will cross your next level. As a teacher, you will cross your next level.
Venue: Freedom for All Nation Outreach, 2601 Vanda Off Road, Ketney, Pretoria, South Africa. For more information, call the numbers displayed on your screen.
Whoever that want to crumble your calling, my calling, may the man to fight.
Amen. Let the Sons Manifest 2022. Don't miss out. Let the glory of the Lord descend like fire. Freedom for All Nation Outreach, in partnership with Batumi Travel. Sons and daughters of Prophet Samuel Akimbodushe, planning to visit the International Leather Son Manifest program. For those planning to attend the program, Basumi Travel will be assisting you in the following: visa application, accommodation, flight bookings, transportation, visit to the main attractive sites such as the Upside Down House, Cradle of Humankind, Union Building, the Nelson Mandela House, and Lion and Safari Park. For more information, please call the numbers displayed on your screen.